Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make a delicious vegetable stew you can enjoy with so many different dishes. I'll be using mackerel fish. I will season with onions powder, salt, black pepper, dried pepper. Means to combine everything together. Cover and leave the fish to marinate for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, I'll be air frying the fish. I'll transfer the fish inside the air fryer basket. You can grill the fish in the oven. You can fry the fish as well. I'll air fry at 380 Fahrenheit. When it's ready on one side, I'll come and flip it so it can air fry nicely without getting burnt. I'll be using bell peppers, habanero peppers, tomatoes, onions, garlic. I'm going to clean up and transfer it inside the blender and blend it roughly. And that is done. In a clean pot, I'll add some oil. When the oil is hot, add sliced onions. Stir. I'll fry the onions till the onions is translucent. I'll add garlic, thyme, and stir. Add the blended tomatoes and pepper mix. Stir. I'll cover and leave it to cook on medium heat for 20 minutes. For this recipe, I'm using kale. I'm going to transfer it to the sink and give it a quick rinse. And once that is done, I'll arrange the kale and slice it. You can use any vegetable of your choice for this recipe, like spinach, green vegetable, or ugu. I'll remove the stem and set that aside. The fish is ready and the fish is nicely air fried. Just look at how beautiful this mackerel fish looks. I'll remove them from the air fryer basket and set that aside. The stew is been cooking out for some time. and is nicely cooked. As you can see, the oil have started to separate. That's when you know the tomato stew is properly cooked. I'll season with seasoned powder, salt, and I'll add some grounded crayfish. Give it a stir. I'll add fresh shrimps. You can use the dry one if that's what you have, and stir. Shrimp don't take time to cook. I'll cover and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, add the vegetables. I blanch the vegetables off camera. Stir until it's well combined. At this point, my kitchen smells divine. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is coming out of my kitchen. Taste, adjust the season if needed. Add the fish. Give it a gentle stir. I'll leave the vegetable stew to cook for 2 minutes, and this vegetable stew is ready. I'll remove it from the stove. Serve and enjoy. And this sauce tasted absolutely delicious. You can also enjoy it with yam as well. Will you be trying it out? Let me know what you'll be having it with. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.